So hello everyone, we are going to continue with the chapter. इस चैप्टर में हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं टाइप्स ऑफ फोर्सेस. ओके, so types of forces. There are two types of forces: balanced and unbalanced forces. Balanced forces. What are balanced forces? When different forces acting on an object balance or cancel out each other so that the net force acting on the object is zero, then such forces are called balanced forces. तो इसको एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. In this example, we can see that two girls are trying to pull a rope. One is pulling towards the right direction, other one is pulling towards the left direction. Okay, so here two girls are pulling a rope in opposite directions with equal force. The rope does not move. Why? ठीक है, so this is the rope. One girl is pulling with force F1 towards right and the other girl is pulling it towards F2 towards left. Okay, magnitude of F1 F2, they are equal, so let it be equal to F. Both forces are equal in magnitude. ठीक है, तो उसको हम F ले लेते हैं. F1 is acting on the right direction, F2 is acting on the left direction. So F1 and F2 are acting in the opposite directions. Now we are going to calculate the net force on the rope. Net force कैसे calculate करते हैं? We have to sum up all the forces that are acting on the rope. ठीक है, रोप के ऊपर जितने भी फोर्सेस हैं उनको हमें ऐड करना है. और जब हम ऐड करेंगे वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड द डायरेक्शन इन विच द फोर्सेस आर एक्टिंग. ओके, जो पॉजिटिव डायरेक्शन में एक्ट करेगा उसको हम पॉजिटिव साइन के साथ लिखेंगे, जो नेगेटिव डायरेक्शन में एक्ट करेगा उसको हम नेगेटिव साइन के साथ लिखेंगे. ओके, सो F1 इज एक्टिंग इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, उसको हमने पॉजिटिव लिया है. तो अगर राइट डायरेक्शन को हम पॉजिटिव लेंगे, F2 विच इज एक्टिंग टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन उसको हम नेगेटिव लेंगे. ठीक है, तो जब हम दोनों फोर्सेस को ऐड करेंगे it will be F1 minus F2. Why minus F2? Because F2 is acting in the negative direction. It is acting in the left direction which will be taken as negative. Okay, so क्या हो जाएगा? F1 minus F2. तो F1 और F2 की वैल्यू कितना है? That is F. So F minus F is 0. So here the net force is 0. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इस रोप के ऊपर both the forces are acting in opposite direction, but they are both pulling with equal magnitude, so the net force will be 0. Okay, because both the forces are going to cancel out each other, they are going to balance out each other. Okay, so the net force on the rope will be 0, and here F1 and F2, these two forces will be called balanced forces. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये एक दूसरे को कैंसिल कर दे रहे हैं, एक दूसरे को बैलेंस कर दे रहे हैं, तो इनको हम बैलेंस्ड फोर्सेस बोलेंगे. ओके, if balanced forces are acting on an object, then the net force on the object is 0. जैसे हमने ऊपर देखा है, it appears as no force is acting on the object. ठीक है, so net force जब 0 है तो उसका मतलब क्या है? No change in the original state of motion of the object. What does this mean? It means if the object was initially at rest, it will continue to be at rest. It will not move. Okay, and if the object was initially moving, the object will continue its state of uniform motion. ठीक है, so this was the case of balanced forces. Now let's understand unbalanced forces. Unbalanced forces में क्या होता है? When different forces acting on an object do not balance or cancel out each other so that the net force acting is not 0, then those forces are called unbalanced forces. ठीक है, इसका मतलब जो forces हैं, different forces that are acting, they will not cancel out each other and the net force on the object will not be 0. Okay, and finally the object will move in the direction of the greater force applied. So the object will move in that direction where the force is greater. So let's understand this again with an example. ठीक है, here we can see that there are two people. A woman is pulling the rope towards herself with a force equals to 100 Newton, and the man is pulling the rope towards himself with a force equals to 80 Newton. ठीक है, what will happen to the rope? तो क्या होगा? This is the rope. So the force with which the woman pulls, we call it FB, equals to 100 Newton towards right, and the force with which the person A is pulling towards the left, it's equals to 80 Newton. ठीक है, तो ये हमें डायरेक्शन का ध्यान रखना है. अब नेट फोर्स कैलकुलेट करते हैं. नेट फोर्स हम कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? इफ़ एफ बी इज़ एक्टिंग टूवर्ड्स द राइट डायरेक्शन और उसको हमने पॉजिटिव लिया है, तो एफ ए विच इज़ एक्टिंग टूवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट डायरेक्शन उसको हम नेगेटिव लेंगे. ओके, सो व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट द नेट फोर्स, व्हाट विल इट बी? इट विल बी एफ बी माइनस एफ ए. The minus sign indicates that FA is acting in a direction opposite to that of FB. Okay, so we have to consider the direction and be careful with the direction while calculating net force. तो ये क्या बन जाएगा? This will be 100 Newton minus 80 Newton. So the net force on the rope will be 20 Newton towards right. Okay, so the rope will move in the right direction where greater force is applied with the force F equals to 20 Newton. ठीक है, so clearly here the rope is going to move towards the right direction with a force equals to 20 Newton. So in this case the two forces do not cancel each other out, so these two forces will be called unbalanced forces. So here FA and FB will be called unbalanced forces because even if they are acting in the opposite direction, they are not cancelling each other out. Okay, और जब वो कैंसल नहीं करेंगे तो नेट फोर्स ऑन द रोप विल बी नॉट इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सो दे डोंट कैंसल ईच अदर आउट एंड द रोप विल मूव टुवर्ड्स द राइट. तो एक और लास्ट एग्जाम्पल से समझते हैं. हियर वी कैन सी दैट देयर इज अ बॉक्स where two children are trying to push the box towards the forward direction. What will happen to the box? ठीक है, 3 cases are given and we are seeing gradually they are pushing with greater and greater force. ठीक है, in the first case the box is not moving, in the second case also the box is not moving, but in the third case the box will move. तो यहाँ क्या हो रहा है? Let's understand. Okay, we have to first understand कि what forces are acting on the box. One is the force of push because of the children, they are pushing it in the forward direction, and the other force that is going to act on the box is going to be friction which will act in the opposite direction. ठीक है, ये friction क्यों हो रहा है? Because two surfaces are in contact, the floor and the bottom portion of the box, right? The bottom surface of the box comes in contact with the floor surface and there will be friction. Okay, and the friction will try to oppose the motion of the box. ठीक है, अगर we are trying to push the box forward, friction will act in the opposite direction. ठीक है, so what happens in the first case? As they are pushing the box with small amount of force, friction is going to act in the opposite direction and it will cancel out the pushing force, जिसके वजह से the net force acting on the box will be 0 and the box will not move. ठीक है, so in this case since the two forces are balancing out each other, both the forces will be balanced forces. ठीक है, in the second case they push with slightly greater force, but in that case also we can see that the friction is going to balance out this pushing force. As a result the box will not move. ठीक है, so here also both the forces are cancelling out each other and both the forces will be balanced forces. Okay, in the last case we can see that the pushing force exceeds, becomes bigger than the friction force. So what will happen? What will happen when the pushing force becomes larger than the frictional force? The box will move. It is going to move in the forward direction because now the net force acting on the box will not be 0. Okay, the net force acting on the box will not be 0 because the push force has exceeded, has become larger than the frictional force, and hence the box will move in the forward direction. So in this case now the two forces are not cancelling out each other, they are not balancing each other, so here both the forces will be called unbalanced forces. Okay, so I hope you found this video useful. See you in the next video. Thank you for listening.